Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. "I am the fastest," said Gordon proudly. "Bye, Gordon. Bye, Gordon." Gordon could not believe what he had seen. At last, the jet engine ran out of fuel, and Thomas was back under his own power. He steamed gently back into Knapford Station. "Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon," teased Thomas. "Overtake me? I didn't notice," Gordon huffed. "You didn't notice the fastest engine on the island of Sodor?" said Henry. "Yes, I am the fastest," puffed Thomas. Percy felt a little sorry for Gordon. Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine. He's a steam engine. "But he's still full of hot air," whistled James, and Gordon wheeshed away.